Introducing DuraLabel Kodiak Max, the world's easiest to use industrial sign and label print system. No more outsourcing. Print in-house to your exact specifications. With compliance built in and always up to date, you can confidently complete any job in any workplace in seconds. Engineered for quality and performance. Kodiak Max is a standalone system with a responsive touchscreen and a wireless keyboard. Print two-color custom signs and labels up to 10-inch wide on a variety of rugged supplies. Print what you need when you need it. Say goodbye to hassle and waste with our quick-load ribbon cartridges and built-in cutter. DuraLabel premium supplies are designed and tested for the harshest environments. We guarantee our signs and labels to last for 5 years, delivering you unbeatable value. Print more for less. Whether it's arc flash, OSHA, chemical identification, overhead signs, or wayfinding, you'll discover endless uses for the Kodiak Max. With the Label Forge Pro Design software, you are in control. Print in seconds from our library of thousands of pre-made signs and label templates. Easily customize these for your facility or even design your own. Label Forge Pro gives you full power and flexibility at your fingertips. When you choose DuraLabel, you get industry-leading quality and service. DuraLabel's on-site teams design, build, and tough test each printer in the USA to maximize quality for every sign you print. When you work with DuraLabel, you're not just prepared for today, you're building a safer tomorrow. Go zero to print in seconds. The all-new DuraLabel Kodiak Max.